With regards to the Niti Aayog meeting that took place today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the crucial Niti Aayog meeting. Prime Minister Modi said, Viksit Bharat at 2047 is the ambition of every Indian. States can play a very active role in achieving this aim. They are directly connected with the people of the country. This is the statement coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is chairing the very crucial Niti Aayog meeting. The focus of the meeting has been Viksit Bharat at 2047. Prime Minister has said that this is the ambition of every Indian and states can actually play a very active role in achieving this target. My colleague Shreya is now joining me on the story. Shreya, we have seen how this has become a big tussle, a big war of words taking place between the opposition. In fact, Niti Aayog was formed in 2015 and now the opposition is saying that they should do away with Niti Aayog and Planning Commission should be brought back.
Well, this is precisely one of the major concerns that is being raised by most opposition chief ministers. And ideally, that's the reason why we also saw Mamata Banerjee make a statement on the same. She had suggested that she will be speaking on it, on why Planning Commission should be called back and Niti Aayog should be scrapped. But clearly, there was a political showdown that happened in the Niti Aayog meeting. So far as Mamata Banerjee's presence is concerned, she walked out of the meeting. She suggested that her mic was switched off. However, the government sources clarified that it was, in fact, her time had finished. She was to speak later after the lunch, but because there was a request made in from the West Bengal government because she had early to leave, she was allotted the time of the seventh speaker. So clearly, this is a political showdown that has happened within the Niti Aayog meeting. But so far, as one of their key demands concerned, the oppositions continue to rake up the issue of scrapping Niti Aayog and bringing back the Planning Commission.
Thank you, Shreya, for giving us all those details. A big controversy is brewing with regards to the Niti Aayog meeting.